today we will be building the Brickhead's Mandalorian and Child, the Duel of Anakin Obi, and the Razor Crest. And this is the gaming pad that I got in from the merch store. We are gonna start with the Brickhead's Mandalorian set. Oh, cute. Little guy with his little feet. Where we're at so far, chat. Pretty cool. There's a little gun, little rifle. So I present to you the Brickhead's Mandalorian. Now we got this bad boy finished. Let's go ahead and switch it out and do the child. Chat. So we've got the carrier that it rides in put together. Pretty quick. So I present to you the Brickhead's Mandalorian and Child completed in about an hour, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. So we got those done. Set those off to the side up here. Ship is next, chat. It's going 20 minutes. You think I can get that shit done in 20 minutes? Bro, you have faith. You have straight face. All right, chat. I'm gonna run to the bathroom real quick. I'm gonna grab an energy drink. I'm gonna grab my water. And that's fucked up because you know I can't do it. Ah! All right. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy rolling. Not a bad sculpt. Chat. So this is where we are so far after bag one. All right, let's go on to bag two. All right, chat, we just finished bag number 2. This is where we're at right now so far. Got the cockpit. Seems like we're getting the framework done pretty well. But, oh my god, this thing is just adorable. Go slowly and get it to focus. The child. He's so tiny. B is my graphics artist who created the amazing logos and things that you see on the channel. She did this and I turned it into a coffee cup. This one. Little Lego IG-11 chat. Pretty cool. With the Razor Crest build. Getting most of the framework done. Top side and the wings. And you see on the inside, it's like the little lockers and storage space. And we've already got the inner workings of the cockpit done. So now we are building another side like this right here. Oh yeah, chat. It's coming together. It's like one side is completely done almost. Oh yeah. She's coming together. She's coming together. So where we're at right now is this. We've got full canopy. We've got the sides, and the sides and everything lets down. I think even, yeah, everything lets down on the side so you can see on the inside. You can see the cargo bay, everything like that. It's a pretty good set, man. I'm very impressed with it. Oh, with that, chat, the Razor Crest is finished. Very impressed with this build. Very impressed with this set. Like, the camera just doesn't do it justice. It's amazing. Gotta go, dude. Enjoyed being here. Appreciate it, man. I appreciate that a lot. Well, chat, we did it. And here's all the things that I cannot afford. Sure, this all looks good. Yeah, I had a great time building it. Honestly. I really did. But on that note, chat, we're gonna end it here. And hey, I finished with time to spare. Holy shit. So, thank you everybody for coming out, hanging out with me today on this Saturday. I might be back here in a couple hours. I don't know. Might be streaming some more. Not too sure. But my name is Fat Boy. I stream Star Wars The Old Republic and apparently Legos now. Appreciate everybody hanging out. Appreciate the new follow from Razor001, Kaon Ray, Royal 2 Snipes. Get back to work. Thank you for ordering a t-shirt. Get back to work for the tier 1 sub. Gokhan0046, thank you for the follow. And so let's see all the spare parts. Really isn't that many. I'm actually shocked. Thought there was gonna be more. But I appreciate everybody for hanging out. Exclamation point socials. Follow me on social media, let you know when I go live. Schedule changes from time to time. I might be doing a late night stream. I will be back definitely tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time with in-game operations with the Lost Sons Guild on Star Wars The Old Republic. And tomorrow night, I might be doing a late night stream. I mean, Zex is the best ever. Bestest ever. So, just keep a lookout on those socials, and I will let y'all know if I go back live again tonight or not. Since we don't have any D&D, I don't know. Been a great stream. Been 5 hours and 42 minutes. Dear Lord. But I'm gonna get out of here, and I'm gonna go pick up this Revan lightsaber. Appreciate it. Peace.